So, welcome to my screen for this week, guys. This week, I'll be analyzing gold spots, AUD USD, and USD card for potential opportunity for this week. On my screen is gold USD. So, as predicted last week, we thought this candlestick will come here to retest this trend line and pull back. As we can see currently, it has gone out of this trend line and it is here to close. This is a 4 hours candlestick, so we just have to wait to see what happens by Monday to Tuesday. We just have to see if this candlestick close out of this trend line, or it will create a wick out of this trend line, then close inside this trend line. If this happen, there is an high tendency that we might have a potential sell in on this by next week, this week rather. There might be a potential sell on gold USD. So how do we go about taking advantage of this? The only thing we need to do is, we can scale down to the 1 hour time frame just to find more potential opportunity. But we need to be careful of taking a sell position on this, because all I can see here is I favor more of sell position here more. This is the reason why I draw this counter trend line this week, and we should be expecting probably a pullback to this zone just to complete the overall move. So just to come down here, you don't have to trade within the zone. If you are to go for the sell opportunity, you don't have to trade within this zone. You see this low here and this high here must be broken by the price. It must be broken, and in the process of breaking these lows and high, this candlestick must be broken as well. So once the candlestick is broken and being retested back, we can go for a potential sell opportunity below this black horizontal line. Okay, we will be looking for a sell opportunity here. But if the price decides to continue to the bullish move, we have to wait for the market to give us a potential buy opportunity, like create a retracement around somewhere around there before we can do what, take a buy opportunity. But for now, we have to wait for the market. By Tuesday, we shall know what the price wants to offer. But if it's closed below here, as I said earlier, kindly wait for the price to come below this horizontal line and this trend line, to break through the horizontal line and the trend line. A retest and a bounce off downward will definitely create a decent sell opportunity for us for this week. So all we need to do is exercise patience and let the price do whatever it wants to do. So don't be in a hurry to hop into this trade. So I will go ahead to the next pair, which is the AUD USD. So now we are on AUD USD. AUD USD, as explained last week, it was shown the current action of the price. The current trend here is a sell trend, and we can see the fib retracement has been completed, which is here. This is fib retracement has been completed. So the next opportunity we want to be looking at is a sell opportunity. And how do we take advantage of this sell opportunity for this week? You see, this week of the candlestick, I've drawn a counter trend line for this week of the candlestick. The only thing we will be waiting for the price to do is, we want the price to come break this trend line and below this horizontal line. Why did I use this horizontal line? There is an high here and there is a base created to fulfill this to complete this fib retracement level. So this is an important high as well, a basic and important low here as well. You see this high has been retested, so it's valid. So we will be expecting the price to break below this horizontal line and possible retest on this trend line as well before we can head down. So for us to find a trading opportunity here, we will expect the price to break below this horizontal line. Okay, a close of bearish candlestick below this horizontal line, we can take a decent opportunity, which I think the market might definitely create a pattern here or just a retracement here for us to to trade. Once we find a retracement around this here, as explained earlier, a close below this horizontal line, we are good to go just to take a sell position, and planning our trade. Definitely, if this is being broken, this week will be retested and this as well will be retested. So let me do a simple recap concerning the pattern that is currently forming here. Is just a typical ABC pattern that is happening here. The B is completed right now, and we are looking for the C to complete. So which is the potential opportunity that we are looking at. This is a double top being played out here nicely. Okay, so we are looking for the right leg to be completed, which is the C. The left is the left leg, is the right leg. So kindly look forward to find a sell opportunity for this week. So I'm scale down to the 1 minute time frame. Okay, just wait for the price to come break below this trend line and this horizontal line, which is a decent signal. If the price breakthrough this is a right signal for us to to sell down to this week. So along the line you can start taking profit, which is the first profit. you know the second profit might be here, and let the remaining trade run. So short profit here, second profit around somewhere around there, and let the remaining of your trade run. So I'm going to the next trade, which is the USD card. Okay, so this is the USD card, which was explained last week. As explained last week, let me scale to the 4 hours time frame. As I explained last week, we anticipated the price. Let me zoom out. We anticipated the price to come to this trend line, and the price has played pretty nicely and come to this trend line. Now, two things we are looking for this week in USD card. We are expecting the price to bounce off here and come close here, so we can find a buy opportunity above this region. This is a low and this is a high, and this is a high, a low as well, and this is a high as well. So a bullish candlestick close above this region signals the price wants to resume its original trend. So reasons why I said this, if this happens, is a clear chance for us to go for a buy opportunities, because the overall trend is bullish. And from this swing low to the swing high, with this price here shows a nice fib retracement to this 61.8%, which we've seen to come retest this trend line, and we are hoping the price will respect this and bounce off to continue its original trend. So if the price decides to come retest this trend line, which was drawn on the monthly time frame, then we might be looking for another continuation of this sale. But definitely the price, if it wants to continue below here, there will definitely be a retest. You understand, there will be a retest for the continuation of this. But I believe that the market has done a nice fib retracement, but we should look at this. We should be open to both sides. But if, like I said earlier, if the price decides to still go further to retest this, all you need to do is wait for the price to come below and make a proper retest on this trend line and find a clear bearish move down here, then you can opt in to take this short sale for if the price decides to go lower. But if the price decides to respect the retracement and resume its original or to its original trend, all you need to do is just what, wait for the price to break above here. Okay, just wait for the price to break above here at the at at the 100% retracement level right about here. At the 100% retracement level right about here, there will be a take profits right about here. The take profit might come right here. Okay, come right here. So I think that is a decent opportunity because this is the current zone that we are right now. We are in this zone, so everything we are thinking right now must be within this zone, must be within this zone. So for this week, I think that is a decent opportunity that we should be looking for. We don't need much pair to look for these two pairs, that the AUD USD and a USD card. I think there is much trading opportunity in it, but for gold, we need to let gold do its thing for till Wednesday. By Wednesday, I'll give an update on my Instagram account as usual. I'll drop an update here concerning gold. But for USD card and AUD USD, I believe the nice retracement could be, probably be respected. Once it's been respected, kindly, take the advantage which the market provides, and please kindly note, stick to every information I give to you, and as well with the information you have, combine it with the one I shared on here. So thank you guys. I will see you on the next episode of my weekly forecast, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and like as well, and share to people you feel this content might be useful to. So thank you guys. Bye.